everyone, this is Hank. Welcome to my channel. Today we are here in HELI factory in Jiangsu, China. As we all know, HELI is the top 3 forklift brand around the world. And now I'd like to introduce a lithium battery forklift for you. Let's go and take a look. This is the lithium battery forklift CPCD20 and its rated loading capacity is 2 tons. It's equipped with a 2 stages and 3 meters mast. The max lifting height is 4,000 millimeters. Now I'm in the cab, and you can see the frame is very big and very tight, which can provide the driver a great protection. And the wider seat can make us more comfortable when we are operating it. Now let's take some knowledge about the battery. Here is the battery's charging port. This forklift's battery is lithium battery, and the rated voltage of this battery is near 80 volts with the weight of 330 kilograms. If you have requirements, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye.